Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Do you feel shy when someone asks, "What do you do every day?" You stop, you think, and then no words come out?
Yes, sir. Bilkul. This happens to me. I understand English, but I cannot speak.
No tension. आज हम इस problem को fix करेंगे. Today you will learn how to talk about your daily life in very simple English. After this, you will speak easily. Easy hoga. Promise.
Yes.
Talking about daily life. Talking about daily life is very important. People ask this everywhere. At school, at work, in interviews, with friends.
Yes, people ask me this question and I get nervous.
That's normal. But here's the good news. If you can talk about your daily life, you can start a conversation easily. It builds confidence. It helps you speak more.
So, this is like real English?
Yes, this is real-life English, not boring book English. Why this topic is important. Talking about daily life is very important. People ask this everywhere, at school, at work, in interviews, with friends.
Yes, people ask me this question and I get nervous.
That's normal. But here's the good news. If you can talk about your daily life, you can start a conversation easily. It builds confidence. It helps you speak more.
So, this is like real English?
Yes, this is real-life English, not boring book English.
Oh, so simple. Just I plus action?
Yes, bilkul. Now let's add time words. Time words are in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Examples: I study in the morning. I play games in the evening.
Nice. But how can I say more?
Good question. Add one small detail. Example: I eat breakfast with my family. I go to work by bus. Simple plus small detail equals better English. 5. Common mistakes versus correct. Now let's fix common mistakes. बहुत लोग ये करते हैं. Wrong. I am wake up at 7. Correct. I wake up at 7. Don't use am here. Wrong. I go to school in morning. Correct. I go to school in the morning. Always say the morning. Wrong. I eating breakfast. Correct. I eat breakfast. Use simple verb. Wrong. I go to home. Correct. I go home. No to with home.
Oh no, I make these mistakes.
It's okay. Mistakes mean learning. Tension nahi lena.
6. Upgrade section. Sound better with one extra detail.
Now let's make your English better.
Yes, sir. Let's upgrade.
Add one small detail. Basic. I eat breakfast. Better. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I eat breakfast with my family. Basic. I watch TV. Better. I watch TV at night. I watch TV with my brother.
Wow, just one detail makes it better.
Exactly. Small change. 7. Quick recap. Let's revise quickly. Let's revise quickly. Use I plus verb. I wake up. I eat. I go. Add time words. Morning, evening, night. Avoid common mistakes. Add one small detail.
Simple and clear. Ab confidence aa raha hai.
9. Now your turn. Write 5 sentences about your daily life. Example: I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I watch TV in the evening. I sleep at 11 p.m.
Guys, don't be shy. Likho.
Yes, simple English is okay. Start small. My friend, listen. You don't need difficult grammar. You don't need big words. You just need simple English. Daily practice.
Yes, step by step. Easy, Hoga.
Don't feel shy. Every small sentence matters. You are learning. You are improving. And I believe in you.
Keep going, guys. You can do it.
If you like this podcast, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Let's learn together. Let's grow together. Comment below and practice with